In this video, I'm implementing a full adder using structural modeling in Verilog. First, I create a new project by going to the File menu and selecting New Project. After completing the project setup, I click on the project name under the Sources panel. Next, I select New Source to create a new file for implementing the program. From the available options, I choose Verilog module and then provide the file name. After creating the module, the template window appears. Here, I define the input ports as A, B, and C, and the output ports as sum and Cout. Next, I declare internal wires. These wires are used to connect intermediate outputs between logic gates, since structural modeling requires proper signal connections. Now, I begin implementing the logic using basic gates. First, I use an XOR gate to calculate A XOR B and store the result in a temporary wire. Then I use another XOR gate with that intermediate result and C to generate the file sum output. After writing the code, I save the file and run the synthesis process. Once the synthesis is completed successfully, I expand the synthesis option in the process window. Then I select View RTL schematic and run it. After clicking OK, the RTL schematic window opens. Here, I select Create Schematic to generate the design view. Finally, the schematic diagram appears showing the pin diagram and the connected logic gates. When I double-click the design, I can clearly see the XOR and an OR gates connected internally, which represents the structural implementation of the full adder.